Here's a new Cruisers 55 new model introduction. We're going to have a look on board in a few minutes.
Look from here, look. It's not dirty enough. See it? Yeah. Excited about it.
So we're on board the new Cruisers 55 Fly. And this is crew quarters. And this is a new entertainment area with a sun pad for the aft section. We have high gun walls. Good amount of width to walk along. And we have another nice entertainment area up on the forward deck. And it looks like that we also have some structure to have a sunshade on there. And I think a really unique idea is having a balcony off on the side with a couple of bar stools. And then of course we have the aft cockpit area with a large dinette. Galley. Looks like we got lots of refrigeration. Nice soft touch materials. Looks like this is equipped with Garmin electronics. Looks like a guest cabin. Nice and open. On the port side, we have, looks like a day head with a nice stand-up shower. Then we have a forward berth. And they're getting lots of lighting in here. From hatches, big windows. And we share that same head. And the materials are quite nice, as is the decor.
We had her for 16 years. We don't park with people.
And I guess this is the master aft cabin, midship.
So an express cruiser style? Yep. You got the full glass like a coupe, or is it just a half windshield? You get on the cruise, yeah. You see, they just updated our info page here. I can see the specs.
Yes, yeah.
Let's go take a look at the bridge.
So we retail Princess out of our West Coast location. Silver Seas anywhere. Yeah. And then there's the big Princess dealer. Yeah, it was Tommy. It wasn't Tommy, wasn't it?
This is certainly another nice entertaining area. And that's one of the big design features, is having a huge upper deck. All nicely protected with a hardtop.
Yes. It did crash, but it controlled.
They've done a very good job.